Now we are going to go to the solution. We're going to write code for this problem. If you have not yet looked at the video for the walkthrough and explanation of this problem, then I would advise you to do so before you look at how we actually write code for this. So given an array of integers, we need to rotate each element for a given number of times. Example 2, 3, 4, 5. After it has been rotated twice, where n in this instance is 2, it should have 4, 5, 2, and 3 as the expected output. So open your IDE, go to new and then class, click on the write package, and then I'll give it the name cyclic rotation. So then we'll have our normal main method here. So what I'll do is I'll just come up with a little method here. I'll call it public static int, and then we'll just say rotate array. So as a parameter, it will receive an array, and also will receive the number of times it has to rotate. I'll just call it n in this instance. So what we need to do at the end, we need to produce a new array, right? So that is rotated. Or let's just call it results. Is equal to new int, and then we'll give it the length of the original array as the size. So now we need to iterate through the array in this instance for each I. Int I equals to 0, and then I less than array.length, and then I plus plus. Now this is where we need to construct that formula that we spoke about in the previous video, which is going to be result is so now we need to say that I plus n in this instance modulus the length of the array. So you can just assign this to array at index I. So this should do the trick, and then what we need to do is we just need to return the results. Now we need to test our results. What we'll do is we'll just try and print our results in here. So we'll have a new int, and then let's do this, and then I'll give this, I'm just giving it the random values, 2, 3, 4, and then the next thing will be a 5, and then let's say, for example, n is equal to 2. So we can just do this to string, take the whole thing and put it inside the and that should do the trick. Let's test and see. So if our 4, 5, 2, and 3. So as you can see the expected output here, it means that 2 must be rotated twice, which is 1, and then 2, and then 3 must be rotated twice, and then 4 twice, and then 5 twice. So meaning that our expected output would be 4, then followed by 5, and then followed by 2, and then followed by lastly 3. So if we were to rotate only once, it means that we'll have we'll have, if we're rotating 5, we'll have once we'll have 5, and then after 5 we'll have a 2, after 2 we'll have a 3, after 3 we'll have a 4. So this is when we have rotated once, this is when we have rotated twice. We rather put it like this, so that you say this is the first time around and then this is the second time around. So let us just change this to 1 and see the expected output should be this one, 5, 2, 3, and 4. That is if our solution is 5, 2, 3, and 4. So it means that our solution is working as expected.